Hi guys, this is Lacey with Landscapers Pride. I want to show you why Texas-based products are important for your garden. Behind me is a giant pile of pine bark mulch. Before we process it, you can see that the bacteria is taken off and there's tons of steam happening at the top because this product is breaking down right now as we speak into more usable material. Naturally, this happens over time, amounts of time, but here at Landscapers Pride, we speed it up, and I want to show you what that looks like. This is a big pile of mushroom substrate. It's a Texas-based product that we get locally, just like everything you see around us, which is important because those piles and this product create a fast-acting, maturing agent catalyst reaction where things break down in the most useful form for your Texas garden plants. That is why it's so important to look for Texas-based material like our Loblolly pines or the green material here resourced within 50 miles of New Waverly, Texas.